Here's how to delete your Roblox account on mobile. Now, if you wanted to initiate account deletion, all you need to do is open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. Now, we need to get to your settings to do this, so tap on More at the very bottom right. And from here, just scroll down and you'll be able to see that settings or gear icon. Just tap on that. Now, to be able to delete your account, it usually jumps around between the different ones, but currently it's in privacy and content restrictions, so just tap on that. Now you'll be able to see at the very bottom is the account deletion and deactivation. Tap on that. You can either choose to deactivate your account, which is temporary, or you can initiate permanent account deletion. Keep in mind, it does say on here, it cannot be reversed. So you won't be able to get your username or your account back. If you're ready to go, just tap on initiate here. And again, it says it cannot be reversed. If you're ready to go, just tap on initiate and it will be deleted.